Hello, I'm Dr. Joseph Garcia. You know, when I'm not researching child development and cognition, which is exciting, but not as exciting as magic. When I was young, I saw a magic show and I dedicated my life from about 17 to collecting magic stuff, learning magic tricks, and I became a magician. I started out as the Incredible Joseph and then eventually became the Wizard of East 542, which is the name of the highway out here. And I've collected all this library of materials and all these tricks. And I've developed, had a friend make a beautiful robe for me. And the only colorful words that I can think of to say today is that I am, That's about as colorful as I get today.